Hello everyone and welcome to SheDoesBeauty. Hello. For today's nail design, we are doing this angelic angel baby accent nail that I think would go good with any full set really. Maybe like a full set that's all blue and one of these nails is the angel nail, maybe with a little bling bling. But I'm using two different blues. I'm using a darker blue and a minty blue. I'm also using a nice shimmery white and an iridescent glitter mix. So first I'm going to do kind of like marble everything together. So I'm going to lay down some mint and then I just want to get it opaque enough to my liking. And we're just going to play with everything and add some colors. Now, I personally love a good marble design. I think it really does give you that creative freedom that we love as nail techs because whether it be with gel polish or acrylic colors, we really do have the freedom to just swirl it around to our liking. So next I'm taking that shimmery white and I'm just going to make a couple blobs and I'm going to extend them out how we like see the normal shape of clouds and like the stores and stuff, even though clouds are cool and they can be really any shape because I love cloud watching. I don't know. I think it's really cool. Maybe it's just like, the old soul in me, but just looking at the clouds on a nice cloudy day and just like trying to decipher and figure out what they look like. Yeah, that's my jam. Now I'm going to be adding some iridescent glitter just to give it a little bit of glittery cuteness. You can use any kind of glitter, fine glitter or chunky glitter, totally up to you. And then after I applied as much glitter as I want, I'm going to put these cute little angel baby stickers that I got off of Amazon. They are so cute. I love the little cherubs, like I don't know, my mom had little angel cherubs all over her bathroom and my dad has a tattoo on his chest of the cherubs and like yeah, I don't know, maybe it's just nostalgic for me, but I really like it. It's a cute little design. I've seen some really elegant, dreamy designs from some talented nail artists and they use these stickers and I'm just like, oh, so dreamy. I love it. But next I'm going to be adding some cute like twinkle stars is what I call them, gold charms. And then I'm just going to add that and then encapsulate everything just so nothing is poking out and nothing will get taken off when I file. Now, depending on whether you use acrylic or gel, I would recommend encapsulating it with just like your basic clear builder gel or clear acrylic. If you wanted to give it like a milky bath kind of look, you could do maybe like a really translucent white. I think that would be really cute too. When encapsulating nails, you do want them to be a little bit on the thicker side. You can always shave it down with your e-file, or if you go and do your hand file, shave it down that way. You just want to make sure that your stickers, your decals, or your charms, anything that you're encapsulating, even colored acrylic or gel polish, if you're encapsulating that, you want to make sure that it's fully encapsulated. How many times I'm going to say encapsulated? You just want to make sure it's fully covered so that nothing gets chipped or filed off, shaped off. You want to make sure it's nice and safe and come back to it at the end and shape it up how you like. Now, even though these are a little bit thicker, you could see that I was using the belly of my brush to maintain the shape of the coffin just to help me in the long run so it doesn't get super tedious filing. And now it's time for everyone's favorite part, the reveal, the top coat to show us what all of our hard work was for. I love a good top coat moment. I love glossy top coat. Matte has its time and place, but glossy is always for me. I want to say thank you again for joining me in this nail spo accent nail. I hope you enjoyed this angel baby nail design as much as I did, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!